currently, since AI is in the hype and eventually all of this uh, big enterprises, the companies, they are leveraging the AI and implementing in their businesses to improve their sales and many other things. So it is very much important uh, that we also learn uh, the generative AI and other technologies which are currently being used. So this word you would have heard before, the data science. Okay, and I will just give some introduction. What is data science? So basically, like a data is anything. It's just a collection of uh, raw facts or information, and it can be stored in digital form. Yes, and that data can represent many things. It can represent some observations or measurements or records from real world activities. And it can be from some customer interactions or websites or mobile applications like that. So that's why now the data has become the very much the foundation for analysis and insights and intelligent decisions for every company. So data is the foundation of modern digital businesses. Okay. Now this there are two terms actually. Usually there are these two terms, analysis and analytics. Yes. So analysis, what does it mean actually? Analysis usually tell us about the past data. It explains about the past data. We are doing analysis of the past data, and uh, if we want to improve the business, so at that time, then we are seeing our reviewing our past data. So, for example, why the sales went down or how the sales went down. Okay. So, what can we take up some measures through which uh, our businesses can improve, okay, or our sales can improve? So, that is what analysis deals with. Analysis deals with the past data. Okay. And analytics. So, this word analytics, it is for the future data. Okay. So, basically, based on the analysis only, we do the analytics. Okay. So, analytics, it tells us what will happen in the future based on the past. So it can be some probability or we can predict, okay, that based on the past data, some sales have went down and because of such and such reasons. So that's why uh, in future, what measures we can take so that it can improve. So that is what analytics is about. Okay. And data science, this word actually involves many factors. It is involving about like the because data science means it deals with the data. So data science will include many factors. It can include the gathering and cleaning the data sets and applying some statistical methods, okay, through which there can be improvement in the businesses. And from there, we are extracting some patterns from the data, okay, so that it can perform more accurate forecasts. So data science is that only. Data science actually deals with a huge amount of data. Okay. Analytics and data science, these are the two words. So data science, this word, in this actually so much of data we are dealing with. And then we are applying many statistical methods and many other methods and extracting the patterns from the data to to predict the like more accurate forecast. Okay. So to do that, we are using many different methods. So there are, for example, the traditional methods which were used. As the technology is improving, there are more very much efficient methods through which uh, the predictions can be much more accurate. Okay, so there are so many algorithms for machine to learn. Okay, many such algorithms are there through which the predictions can happen properly. So before we get into this, I will explain what is machine learning actually. Once again, I will share the different slide.